Good morning, people. I hope you're all having an amazing day. The weather is beautiful, and that means today I bring you an action camera comparison between the new Insta360 ONE RS versus the GoPro Hero 10. And in this video, we are going to find out which action camera is in fact the best. So let's start off with an outdoor microphone test. Brand new camera comparison, Insta360 ONE RS versus the GoPro Hero 10. So we are shooting 4K at 60 frames per second on both, and I tried to match the field of view on both cameras as well, so we get a kind of even looking shot. So bright sunny day, clear skies nearly, a bit cloudy, but the sun's out, so that's a plus point, isn't it? Especially when it comes to filming action cameras. So yeah, feels good to be out and about, especially after working in the office, editing, filming, one after the other. And along comes Insta360 ONE RS with the impressive 4K boost lens. And here are the action cameras. Insta360 ONE RS versus the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Now the ONE RS has a newly designed outer casing which is so easy to remove. Similar design to the previous model, the ONE RS is a modular camera that you can take apart and interchange parts, so pretty much upgradable, and a lot of new features introduced in the new model. The GoPro Hero 10 is the latest GoPro with the usual action camera design, and the Hero 10 is actually a lot bigger than the previous GoPros. And to keep this comparison kind of fair, I only used the 4K boost lens on the ONE RS throughout this video. Alright, so let's compare the prices. Insta360 ONE RS starts from $279 for the 4K edition, or you can get the twin bundle for $499, which contains both the 4K boost lens and the most famous 360 lens. In comparison, the GoPro Hero 10 Black starts from $529 or $329 if you sign up for their paid software subscription deal. And if you do like checking out specs, here is a quick side-by-side of both. Pause the vid if you need time to study this. So both cameras have new, faster chipsets. Both can shoot above 4K resolution video. You have 48 megapixels versus 23 megapixels. Both cameras are waterproof. You have a bigger battery in the GoPro, but will it translate to better battery life? Find out later in the video. So let's go ahead and check out some photos. So 48 megapixel versus 23 megapixels. I have taken a whole bunch of shots. They are all simply point and shoot shots. I'm not going to bore you by nitpicking each shot. I'll let you view them all and decide for yourself which you prefer. So do let me know in the comments which you prefer and why. Alright, so we are now testing out 2.7K at 60 FPS. This is 2.7K at 60 FPS. So just dropping the resolution down to 1080p at 60 FPS. 1080p at 60 FPS. So we are shooting 4K at 60 frames per second with the Insta360 ONE RS and the GoPro Hero 10. And here is a quick comparison of the stabilization. You can see both are equally good, not much separating them. Both action cameras offer superb video stabilization. Now the Insta360 ONE RS has a brand new epic feature which is not even available on the GoPro Hero 10, and that is the amazing 4K active HDR mode. So really nice feature to be able to shoot 4K HDR video on an action camera. Both action cameras started at 100%. You can see after all the videos and photos we just took, 36% on the GoPro Hero 10, and we got actually 58% on the Insta360 ONE RS. So we're getting nearly double the battery performance than the GoPro Hero 10 when shooting exactly the same videos and photos. Awesome battery on the Insta360. So there you have it, guys. That was my quick comparison between the two top dog action cameras. So what do you guys think? Which camera did you prefer? Now I'm actually leaning towards the Insta360 ONE RS, and my reasons are I like the modular design that you get with the ONE RS, and I also like that the ONE RS achieved nearly double the battery performance than the GoPro. Also, when shooting 4K 60, I prefer the ONE RS, especially achieving better dynamic range and color accuracy. Both cameras were set to default settings while shooting, so nothing has been enhanced, and the Insta360 ONE RS just produced better looking videos across all resolutions in my personal opinion. Now with photographs, it was a mixed bag of results. That's why I took so many shots to compare. The results varied every single time. Some shots GoPro wins and some shots ONE RS wins. Essentially, both do take decent looking photos. Stabilization was pretty good on both, so good that I couldn't really say one was better than the other. So brilliant stabilization on both action cameras. So after evaluating and using both cameras for a while, predominantly using the 4K boost lens, I have to say that my favorite camera is the Insta360 ONE RS. I like having a better battery life, better video, interchangeable lenses making it future-proof and upgradable. And it's also got a higher capacity for microSD cards and a ton of features which I haven't even gone over, including the most popular feature which the brand is actually known for, and that is the famous 360 lens, which lets you shoot incredible looking 360 videos at 5.7K resolution, and everything can be managed and edited very easily with a few taps from the smartphone app. And I do want to add, the Insta360 software is very impressive and an absolute treat to work with. I absolutely love the software. I love how they made it so user-friendly to edit your videos directly from your phone and easily export and share to any platform. So impressive stuff. So no doubt in my mind, I will be using the Insta360 ONE RS a lot more than my GoPro Hero 10. There's no doubt about that one. Do let me know your thoughts, as camera comparisons can be quite subjective and we all have our own opinions on what looks good to us. So it would be nice to read your thoughts. So let me know in the comments which action camera you would go for, the Insta360 ONE RS or the GoPro Hero 10. It'd be nice to hear your thoughts. That's all for this video. Do like, sub, follow, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.